Hello friends, have you ever had trouble finishing something, a project at a work, or something more personal such as book, or even a diet? You are not alone. In fact, there is an epidemic of failure to finish syndrome sabotating not only our lives but the world we live in. Uh, Hello friends, today we will discuss about a famous book, How to Finish Everything You Start. First in video, I discuss the uh, first chapter summary, the epidemic of unfinished everything and its consequences. So let's start it. What is the behind this epidemic? There is a multiple causes. As my research over 3 decades into a time management confirm, one reason is that too many of are doing too much at once, which is leading to unfinished tasks or projects. Syndrome that lead you pick up this book. The second is something I call distraction. People who suffer from this are too easy to distracted and effortlessly pull away from one task to do something else. Before you know it, should soon find yourself with too many unfinished jobs or projects. Those unfinished responsibility start to pile up and you feel overwhelmed. It is happen at work. You could not be yourself but your entire team. It could even put you at risk to being fired. In personal lives, effects are failing to finish maybe a subtle than a business world. But there is a consequences. Nevertheless, you never go around remodeling the bathroom, which makes that you much harder to put your house on the market. You moved in a while ago, but there is a still unpacked boxes. If only you could lose the last 10 pound, you could finally fit into a wardrobe. In a one survey, over 200 men and women are asked about the one project or task that they have left unfinished. Here just some of the answer. Work or school related projects, making a vision video of organization, finishing the online classes, writing a report of the industrial field receipt, or some personal tasks are like paying off my daughter fees at school, spending more time on my grandson, losing a weight, emptying my house of useless stuff, getting married. If the something that you also find, so you are be lacking of the lacking of the you are also be in a epidemic. So in other survey, the 200 men and women, one question asked about, do you find it easier to start or to finish the projects? And in the survey results, the 39% people are saying that easy to start. Only only 20% are say easy to finish, and 41% people are says depending on a particular project. So I share some tips for starting or restarting the projects. Remind yourself that only by starting will you be able to finish. Second, is there something you really want to do after you finish this project? Only by starting it and completing it can you go on to the next challenge. And in a third is the most important tip that you never heard. You only just say that you put the 10 minutes on that particular task, and that 10 minutes that will go up into a hour or 2 hour or 3 hour until you finish the task. So only keep reminding you and yourself, only put 10 minutes in the task. That is the most important and very effective tips. And fourth is become a responsible from your task and projects. To become responsive person, you will make sure that task will be finished. And fifth tips, I said, you see your failure, procrastination and perfectism, that will be show you that when you will fail. So that is a fifth tip. And further in this chapter, author author is prepare some 12 quiz questions like a 10 question. You just answer in a yes and no. First question is currently do currently have at least one task, project, or even one relationship concern that unfinished. Do Second question: do you have to task for extension? Do you have to ask for extension to any deadlines at work? Third question: do you ever feel if you are take longer to finish a task than it requires? Fourth question says that have you or anyone you work for or that is close to you ever called you perfectionist? Do you take Fifth question: do you take enough time to do necessary background research or judge to make sure what you are working on right now is the best use of your time? Answer in yes, no, or sometimes. In a sixth question, is there even one task, project, or relationship that is unfinished that is important to you, but not necessary to to your job or others that remain unfinished? Seventh question: do you feel as if you currently have too much to do at once? Eighth question: do you procrastinate? Ninth question: do you daily check your smartphone more than the necessary for your job or personal relationship? Tenth question: do you say yes when you wish to say no? If the in 10 question you answer 9 or more time yes, exception from the fifth question, so you are also lacking or left some unfinished task, yeah, unfinished task. So you require to have some kind of information to finish this task, that require to keep going with this summary. And I in also I am share some exercise to done in after you listening that first chapter. First exercise is that you choose the motivational word for yourself that motivate you throughout this journey. Uh, like some lines you use, like feeling good, feeling more organized, being more productive, accomplish more, having more personal time, being further in my career, feeling less stress, making more money, being more organization, being more successful, having less chaotic life, getting higher grades, work is stress free, being less worried, and all and etc. and many more. You will also make the motivation speech from yourself and make and writing in some place that you easily to find, and make eye on that easily to show that word or motivational line, and easy to remember. Also, second task is that you check your mobile settings, screen time, and and see that how much time you spend on social media or any unnecessary things like gaming or any chatting websites or online application. You show that how much time you spend on it, and take note of it, that much time you will spend on a personal way, or that much time you will save to finish your unfinished task. So that's all for this video. I will discuss the next chapter in another video. So thank you guys for listening this books chapter 1 of the how to finish everything you start. So thank you guys.